Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the Windows terminate not launching or not working problem in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, the first method is that first of all going to your settings of your Windows, go to your apps, click on apps and features, and after that in the search type a terminal, click on these three dots, go to your advanced options, scroll down. First of all, click on a repair, click on reset. After that, close it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a second method. The second method is that go to your settings of your Windows, go to your apps, click on apps and features. In the search box, type a terminal, click on terminal, click on uninstall, click on uninstall. After uninstalling that, in the search box, go to your open a Microsoft Store. In the search box, type a Windows Terminal. Download and install in your computer. After downloading and install, open it. Close it. I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.